Today's aspiring engineers, especially in computer science, should not just use technology, but they should actually know how to build one. So building a desktop PC from components gives students more than a machine. It gives them technical fluency, understanding CPUs versus RAM, as an example. It gives them self-reliance. They're no longer intimidated when things go wrong and no need to ask peers. And also it builds them critical thinking skills in choosing parts that work together and deliver the best value. So it's not about bragging with specs, it's about internalizing how the tech ecosystem operates. So when students assemble their own computer, they learn the component compatibility, chipsets, socket types, power requirements, and secondly, performance evaluation, why more RAM helps certain applications. Third is cost optimization. They're able to learn how to spot the best deals and knowing what truly matters in specs. And it also helps them learn foundational courage. The fear of breaking something or dropping something is replaced by curiosity and courage to test, to try something new. So what may seem like a hobby to you in computer building, it actually can instill so many critical skills in your child's development. Now, here's my advice when it comes to helping your child build a computer. You should step back as a parent, but stay close. So let your child choose the parts, even if they guess wrong the few times, and also place the orders for the parts. Let them assemble, test, and troubleshoot with your supervision, and allow mistakes and guide them to reflect so that they can come away with lessons. This type of challenge is where the true learning lives. So once the student understands how to assemble, configure, and use hardware, real engineering thinking awakens. What I mean by that, they can now script optimizations and automate systems. They translate hardware understanding into software logic. They're ready for science fair, data analytics, simulation coding, or robotics project. And suddenly technology becomes their toolkit, not just their pastime. And they also learn real-world economics. They don't just say, oh, I need a new computer. They say, I need a better GPU for rendering, but my CPU is fine. So this perspective turns routine upgrades into strategic decision-making. So if your child asks for a pre-built computer, say yes only if it comes with one condition. They must build it themselves. So guide them, don't build it for them. Encourage risk-taking and let them own the process. And look, building a computer is not just a weekend project. It's a microcosm of engineering that involves planning, research, troubleshooting, and iteration. In 2025, that kind of practical confidence, especially in young engineers, sets college applicants apart. Being able to build computers on their own signals technical maturity, problem-solving mindset, and independence in learning. And when colleges see a student who's not just studied technology but built it, that's when their applications stand out from thousands of others. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share this with another parent who needs to hear this message, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.